How to clean Nespresso Vertuo. Step 1. Eject any used capsules still inside your Nespresso machine. Step 2. Hold the lever down for 3 seconds to turn off the machine. Step 3. Empty the tank, cup support, and used capsule container. Step 4. Fill the tank with descaling liquid in 17 fluid ounces, 500 milliliters of water. Step 5. Hold the lever and button for 3 seconds to enter the function menu. Step 6. Press the lever down once to switch the machine to descaling mode. Step 7. Place a large mug under the spout and press the button to run the cycle. Step 8. Refill the tank with water and press the button to start a rinse cycle. Step 9. Hold the button and lever down for 3 seconds to exit descaling mode. Step 10. Empty the capsule container and drip tray. Step 11. Fill the tank with water and a pack of descaling solution. Step 12. Unlock the machine's lever and hold the button down until it flashes. Step 13. Lock and unlock the lever on your Nespresso machine. Step 14. Press and hold the button until the light stops and starts blinking again. Step 15. Place a large mug under the machine's spout. Step 16. Lock the lever and press the button to start descaling. Step 17. Refill the tank with clean water and press the button to run a rinse cycle. Step 18. Hold the button down until the light is solid to finish the cycle. After the tank. Step 19. Descale your Nespresso every 3 months or after using 300 capsules. Step 20. Run a cleaning cycle to flush out the machine between descaling. Step 21. Wash removable parts with hot water and an odorless detergent.